So good morning dear cadets. So as you know, yesterday I have completed chapter number 11 NCERT exercise, and I hope that you have already completed all those exercises. Always remember, the way I have told, that is the easier way to write the question answer and easier way to remember it for long period of time also. So like function of art, as I told, write in that way. Okay, in the extra marks there are some additional things, and they have not used the easy process so that the children can remember it for long period of time. Of course, I am also using that extra marks just for the sake of diagram and some animation, because with the help of that you can understand. So now I hope that you will complete it. Now let us move to the new chapter, that is the chapter number 12, reproduction in plants. Okay, what is the name of this chapter? Means reproduction in plants. So just see, we are in the purely biology chapter. Just see, science means physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, so just see the last chapter. What was the name of last chapter? Transportation in plants and animal. That is also purely biology based chapter. This is also biology based chapter. So okay, in reproduction of plants, how many things we will study? First we will discuss about the reproduction. What is the meaning of reproduction? Reproduction means, what is the meaning of reproduction? Producing same type of species. What is this one? Giving rise to the same type of species, that is known as reproduction. Then there are different modes of reproduction: sexual mode of reproduction, asexual mode of reproduction. Then what is there? Under reproduction only seed dispersal will also come. We'll discuss all these things separately. Now under asexual reproduction, what is there? So many things are there. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means from the vegetative parts. What are the vegetative parts? In any plant there are two parts: reproductive parts and vegetative part. Vegetative parts means stem, branch, leaves, roots. Okay, these are the vegetative parts. And what is the reproductive part? Flower. Flowers are the reproductive part. So if reproduction takes place from the vegetative parts, that is known as asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. Asexual mode of reproduction is the type. Under that one, this is there: vegetative reproduction, budding, then what is there? Fragmentation and spore formation. One by one we'll take and we'll explain you. Now just now I am telling you the mind map, guidelines, that how we will go about this chapter. Okay, next one is the sexual mode of reproduction. Under sexual mode of reproduction we will study the pollination. There are two types of pollination: self pollination, cross pollination. We'll discuss all those things in detail. Another one is the fertilization. Okay, we'll discuss here also. Male gamete, female gametes, they fuse together and they form the zygote. All those processes we'll discuss here. Next one is, when the male and female gamete fuse together, they form the zygote. Zygote further divided into embryo, and that embryo will form the fruits, and from the fruits only seeds are there. So just try to understand. This is very lengthy process, and all these processes are based on certain scientific evidences. So we'll do all those things. There is no problem at all. But moreover to this, just try to understand this mind map you should write, so that you come to know that how many things are there in our chapter. Okay, particularly this chapter. So these are the things which we have to discuss in upcoming week and days. Thank you. So dear cadets, now let us start with the introduction to reproduction. What is the introduction to reproduction? Just try to understand. In our surrounding there are different kinds of plants. Some plants produce from their seeds, but some plants produce without their seeds. Just see, you might have seen the sugar cane. Okay, you might have seen the rose. You don't have their seeds, but if you want to grow such kinds of plant, then what you will do? You will take the help of their branches, you will take the help of stem, you will take the help of roots, and if you plant them, then they will grow. Means for them seed is not required. Same time we have got some plants like mango, papaya, some other plants which require seed for their growth or for their germination. Okay, without seed they cannot grow, they cannot germinate. Okay, so just see, introduction to reproduction means, meaning of this one is different varieties of plants are found in our locality. Some are grown with the help of seed, means some are grown from the seeds, and some are grown from their vegetative parts. Vegetative parts means stems, branches, okay, leaves, these roots, these are the vegetative parts. Actually they are not responsible for the growth of an plant, but here they are giving rise to new plant. That is why they are acting on behalf of the reproductive parts, and they are known as vegetative parts. So actually what is the reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but a process of producing their own kind. Means it is the process of producing same kind of species, own types, that is known as reproduction. So what is the meaning of reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but a process of producing same kind of species, same kind of species or own types, that is known as reproduction. What is the meaning of this one? Reproduction. Okay, now we'll teach you types of reproduction. There are different types of reproduction, but here we'll discuss basically two types of reproduction. The first type of reproduction is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Types of asexual types of reproduction. Types of reproduction. So basically two types of reproduction is there. The first one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Okay. Second one is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction? What is the meaning of sexual reproduction, and what is the meaning of asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction which occurs through asexual parts. Reproduction which takes place with the help of asexual parts. Asexual parts like stem, branches, leaves, roots. Okay, so such kind of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. What is the meaning of sexual reproduction? Reproduction in which sexual parts of the body, sexual parts of body take part. Sexual organ take parts. Okay, male gametes, i.e. you can write male gametes and female gametes. female gametes. Okay, so such reproduction is called sexual reproduction. Okay, so just see, under asexual so many things will come. Will teach you one by one. Dear cadets, before heading towards the asexual reproduction, let us have some idea about the parts of plant. Parts of plants. In plants, there are two parts. How many parts? Two parts. The part number first, that is known as vegetative part. Vegetative parts. What are these vegetative parts? Stem, roots, leaves. These are vegetative parts. Reproductive parts. What is the reproductive parts? Reproductive parts. Reproductive parts. Flowers. Flowers are reproductive parts. So just remember, in asexual reproductions, flowers will not take part. Only the vegetative parts of the plants will take parts. So these parts of plant, basically two parts is there. Now on the basis of these two parts, will teach you the sexual and asexual reproduction. But as you know, nowadays what is there? Activities are more. So let us wind up today. Now I have introduced the topic to you. Not only this one, I told you the definition of reproduction, types of reproduction. So now write down certain questions. The first question is, what do you mean by reproduction? What do you mean by reproduction? What do you mean by reproduction? Next one, how many types of reproduction are there? How many types of reproduction? How many types of reproduction are there? Okay, there. Okay, explain them. So just you write the types and their definition. Name the vegetative part of plant. Name the vegetative parts of plants. Name the vegetative parts of plant. Next one is name the sexual parts of plant. Sexual parts of plant. Okay, so just write down their answer and just as usual submit me for checking. Thank you.